Today's recipe is the perfect addition to a dish of vanilla ice cream. These candy-covered candy cane sticks are so much fun and delicious. They add a little extra sweet flavor and a hint of peppermint to each bite. You need peppermint candy canes, olive oil, wax paper, candy melts, and a tall silicone cup. Fill the cup and melt the candies. I add a little olive oil to help smooth the candy out. Make sure to stir the candy so that there are no lumps. Hold each candy cane by the hook and dip them into the candy. Gently shake to remove any excess chocolate. Lay each candy cane on a sheet of wax paper and place in the freezer. Fill your favorite dish with ice cream and insert a candy cane. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.